Add people to a course. Anyone with an active SUNET ID can be added to a Canvas course by a member of the course team. You must use the official SUNET ID when adding someone to your course, not an alias. Navigate to the Stanford directory at stanfordwho.stanford.edu. Log in with your SUNET credentials for full access. In the search field, search and select the user you'd like to add to your course. Scroll down and copy the user's SUNET ID. Individuals may have aliases. Be sure to choose the first SUNET ID since that's the official SUNET and the only one that will work. Once you've copied the SUNET ID, navigate back to your Canvas course site. Select the People tool from the left-hand navigation menu options. Drag your cursor to the right side of the screen and click on the blue rectangular box for Add People. In the Add People window, select the SUNET ID option and enter the SUNET ID in the text box. Select the desired role from the drop-down menu. Click on the caret within the field underneath Role, and all these options are available. You should never manually add someone to the teacher or student roles for official courses. Teacher is reserved for those officially listed on Access, and student is for officially enrolled students. Auditors must always be added as observers. I'm selecting TA for the purposes of this tutorial. If the course includes multiple sections or cross-listings, choose the desired section by clicking on the caret within the field under Sections. Click Next to continue through the process. If the person is in the system and eligible to be added to Canvas, a validation message will appear when you add the user. You are now ready to click the Add Users button. If a person is not found or the process is not successful, you will see an error message. If this happens, you may want to confirm you are using the official SUNET ID. You can also contact the Canvas team at canvashelp@stanford.edu for additional assistance.